Xiamen Greenair Compressor Technology Company Limited was founded in 1998. Since then, we have been focused on the design and production of energy-efficient rotary screw air compressors. Greenair is committed to helping customers in tropical climates by providing rotary screw air compressors ideally suited for their environment. Our compressors can operate continuously under high temperature conditions. In addition to rotary screw air compressors, we also provide compressed air dryer, relevant accessories and tools for maintenance, and one-stop service for customers to solve their installation, maintenance, technical engineering, and other product-related issues. At the same time, we can also produce various customized non-standard air compressors to meet the customer's needs. In terms of production, the main machine is self-developed and produced by our company, and according to the 5-6 design of the rotor line, is equipped with several rotor grinders and imported SKF bearings to ensure that the main machine is reliable and efficient. In terms of manufacturing, the company utilizes several sets of automatic processing equipment for air compressor chassis and enclosure production. The assembly technician assembles the process parts strictly according to the drawings. After the mounting process, our product testers will conduct a maximum pressure test, free air delivery inspection, and noise inspection to guarantee products meet the requirements. The company also conducts a 24-hour test run for each machine to ensure that it meets requirements. So, we can ensure that all air compressors produced by Greenair meet product requirements and ensure the efficient operation of the products. Over the past 20 years, Greenair has earned a favorable reputation in the industry and established long-term relationships with some well-known enterprises, including China National Petroleum Corporation, Toyota, Theiss Global Mining, and etc. Additionally, we have agreed upon a technical cooperation with Atlas Copco Group, China Company Limited, for cutting-edge technical guidance, which has fostered better development of our company. Now and in the future, Greenair will always place high priority on our core product, rotary screw air compressors, and we will be more detail-oriented to provide more reliable and energy-efficient products to our global customers. Thank you. This is the electric mobile rotary screw air compressor produced by Greenair. Its intelligent controller adopts an RS-485 communication interface for easier computer remote control. The use of a soft starter cabinet greatly reduces instantaneous current values produced by startup of the motor, which protects the motor and other parts. The motor is connected to the high-efficiency air end by flexible coupling, creating high transmission efficiency. Our separator adopts 3-stage air-oil separation design, which not only reduces oil content of the equipment, but also lowers the amount of coolant required. This air compressor series features good power balance, greater mobility, and it's highly automated, allowing for unattended operation. Currently, it has been widely applied in some outdoor projects. This is our diesel engine mobile rotary screw air compressor. It adopts a Cummins engine. There is no need for on-site electrical power supply. The use of diesel oil will power the air compressor. As you can see, this air compressor features a two-stage high-efficiency air end. It is very efficient in gas production, and the operational pressure reaches 35 bar. This product also has a multi-stage air filter and large water and oil cooler to maintain normal operation, even under extreme environments of dust and high temperature. The diesel engine is directly connected to the air end by an original German-made KTR flexible coupling. The torque is calculated based on scientific data, which creates a low vibrated and well-balanced air compressor. The enclosure uses a modular design, making it easier for air filter and fuel container maintenance. The intelligent control system monitors the parameters of the air compressor and also realizes automatic alarm and outage protection. More importantly, it is easy to move and transport, so it has been widely used in places like mines and construction sites. This is a two-stage air end and permanent magnet motor separate type rotary screw air compressor. Its intelligent control system accomplishes computer remote communication control and achieves a joint control on several air compressors simultaneously. This two-stage air end features high air capacity, low noise, little vibration. The turbo fan uses a backward design, creating zero friction, more air volume and less noise. Its motor is made of a special material of a rare earth permanent magnet, which raises energy efficiency 10 to 15% compared with a synchronous motor which has the same specifications. The air end is connected to the motor by a separate type, making it easier for maintenance. Currently, this product has been widely used in places like machinery manufacturing enterprises, processing enterprises, and construction sites.